English chapter name is Tsunami. Spelling you see T-S-U-N-A-M-I, Tsunami. In this chapter, we studied some of the survivors, people who escaped from the tsunami. We studied that. Who are they? One is Ignatius. We discussed Ignatius. Then a police officer. What was his name? Sanjeev. Then the next one we discussed about the Magna, 13 years old girl. Then about whom we discussed? Almas Jawad. About Almas Jawad we studied. Okay, now Angida, you see your camera, actually it is yeah. Okay, see Almas Jawad we studied. Then we skipped by mistake one page and studied another one person. What is the name of that? Tilly. We studied about Tilly. However many? Let's continue. I told you about the girl. What's her name? Alma. She was taken by the huge wave and she was floating on the surface of the water about 2 days. After that she doesn't know actually, she waited there. Then she reached on the beach. After 2 days, some of the people have seen that she was walking in the beach as she was dazed. Okay, it is telling that traumatized spelling T-R-A-U-M-A-T-I-Z-E, traumatized meaning greatly shocked, and like that a girl was walking in the beach. Okay, who has seen that? Many people have seen that she was taken to immediately to the hospital. That we discussed. Okay. See, part 2. Tilly Smith, a British schoolgirl, was able to save many lives when the tsunami struck Phuket Beach in Thailand. Though she has won a number of awards, her parents have not allowed their daughter to be interviewed on television and made into a heroine. 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 How is the pronunciation? Hero. And what is the pronunciation of this word? Okay, say Shraya. Tell me Shraya. Just to read this word. Heroine. Shraya J.
Heroine.
Okay, heroine. Angida.
Heroine.
Okay, Shraddha. Shraddha, I did not hear you. Shraddha, I did not hear you. Tell once again.
Heroine.
Okay. All are telling that it is heroine. Remember that today onwards you don't say like that. Heroine pronunciation is heroine. Heroine. Hero is correct only, hero. But actress and like that to the ladies, we say heroine. Heroine, 2 kinds of heroines are there. One is a drug, you know, injecting heroin. Some of the people, it's a drug like brown sugar, something like that it is there. Okay, carrying that it is a case. Okay, anyone carries that heroin, that person will be arrested and will be imprisoned. Okay, but this is heroine. H-E-R-O-I-N. Remember that? Hero and heroine. Okay, see, Alma's father doesn't want to make her a heroine. Why do you think they took that decision? Okay, in Thailand, in Phuket Beach, there one day the tsunami occurred. When it comes, Tilly was there. We studied about Tilly the previous day. Though I tell you today, Tilly, what did she do? When the sea was receding, she understood that this water will come back very fast. Who understood? Tilly understood. So Tilly said to the people that not only half an hour and 1 hour ago, from the beach, elephants and dogs and horses, animals, these animals ran away from there. Then not only when they ran away, nobody understood anything, even the human being. But Tilly, when she was there, she could see that the sea is receding. Receding means water goes down, back, much distance. She understood, she was wise enough to understand that this water, all mass of water will come very fast to us and we will be washed out. That feeling, she became immediately hysterical. Hysterical means like a mad girl and screamed out, requested her father to get away from the beach. And all the people, she cried out from there, go, escape, like that said. By seeing her face, and the sea is going by seeing that her father also got a bit down. Actually, he was not aware about the tsunami or anything. But the daughter is telling, she is very small, but she tells, by hearing that, what did he do? He fetched her and went away from there along with them. Many people followed by seeing her cry, and she tells, run, run, like that. When they were going away from the beach, they heard a different and wild sound from backside. They looked back. What is there happening? They could see like a huge hill. Water is coming very forcefully to them. They could see that. Immediately, Tilly's father said, run, like that said. Everybody with all their life, they ran away from there. Like that, many of them were saved from that big tsunami. Understood or not, dear students? That we discussed. Then later on, people asked Tilly, how did you understand that such a tragedy was coming? How did you get it now? She said she studied it in the geography class. Her teacher taught about the tsunami. The symptoms of the tsunami and how the tsunami occurred, everything Tilly's teacher taught in the classroom. Tilly's teacher taught in the class, it will be the earthquake under the ocean. When it comes, the water will go back, the sea will proceed. After that, this water will come very forcefully to out. Then about half kilometer maybe, or 300 meters, whatever may be, that area will be completely swept away. That who said? Geography teacher said. Said to whom? Said to the students in the class. In that class, who attended? Tilly also attended the class. Because of that is, you see, just to know that, just you think it now, the power of the education. That is the power of the education, right now? She got a little, suppose you are going to a Goa beach. Suppose you think, now you attended my class here about tsunami. When you play there in the beach, suppose you could see that the sea is receding back. We don't know when it happened. When it will happen, nobody can predict it. When you see, you saw that the sea is going back. Immediately you remember my class. Correct or not? You remember my class. Sea recede. It is a symptom of tsunami. Any moment the water may come back like a hill. Automatically you will run. Same thing. It is the power of education. Now you are educating about tsunami. That is only the purpose of getting the education. We have to know aware about the situations. Understand or not? Understand or not? See, like that Tilly understood the incident, what is going to happen, everything. She said, run away from there. She saved many people. But after that, many channel people and many people came there to meet whom? Tilly. But her parents don't want to make her a heroine in front of all the media. Did not attend anybody to get an interview for her. Because they don't want to get any fame or anything like that. That could be the reason. Okay, see, now we can continue. Just look at the textbook. Now there is a story from Thailand. The Smith family from Southeast England were celebrating Christmas at a beach resort in southern Thailand. Tilly Smith was a 10-year-old schoolgirl. Please note it and underline. What is the age of Tilly? What is the age of Tilly? Tilly, she was just a 10 years old girl. Okay, now 10 years means what class could be? Maybe a 5th standard student. Right now, a 5th standard student. A 5th standard student saved many people's life. Not only one person. Many people are living in Thailand. Many tourists live there from Thailand, from that place, because of this little girl. Right now, what's her age? She is just 10 years old. Okay, see. Her sister was 7 years old. Wow, see. Her sister, what is her age? 7 years old. Their parents were Penny and Colin Smith. It was 26th December 2004. Deadly tsunami waves were already on their way. They had been triggered by a massive earthquake of northern Sumatra earlier that morning. See, the water was swelling. Swelling means swelling, swollen. Swelling means actually it is here the meaning here rising. Okay, the correct meaning of swelling is not that. I have a toothache. No, I don't have a toothache. I am telling you example. Okay, see, I have a toothache. Light swelling is here. Understood or not? Swelling means this part became bulged out. Got or not? That is the real meaning of swelling. But here meaning is swelling is not that. Actually it raises up. By students. I will pause it. Hey, Sanjana, don't turn it on. Sanjana, don't turn the mic on because a little distraction is there. Okay. See, Tilly is 10 years old girl. Meghna, 13 years old girl. This age you just note it, don't forget. Okay. Then about the names of Ignatius spelling, you just see and study. Ignatius and Sanjeev. Then who? Almas Javed. Then who? Tilly, Meghna. About some survivors, over everything, I think. Okay, see, it was 26th 2004. 26th 2004. Why did they go there? They went there to celebrate Christmas. Christmas spelling you see CHRISTMIS. Christmas. Okay, see, the water was swelling, kept coming in. Penny Smith remembered the beach was getting smaller and smaller. I didn't know what was happening. When the beach became small, actually, Tilly's father, he did not understand what is going to happen here, he did not understand anything. But Tilly Smith sensed that something was wrong. Her mind kept going back to a geography lesson she had taken in England just 2 weeks before she flew out in the Thailand with her family. Just 2 weeks ago, she had attended a class, a geography class. Which class? Which class she attended? Geography class from England. From the geography class, the teacher said in the class and explained in the class about what? About tsunami. How tsunami occurs? What process go under the sea? Everything she was explained by the teacher. As she was a good student, she remembered everything. In 2004, 26th December, while she was enjoying in the beach, when the sea was receding, she was able to understand that it is a symptom of tsunami. She got away from there. Tilly saw the sea slowly rise and start to boom, bubble, and form whirlpools. She remembered that she had seen this in the class in a video of a tsunami that had hit the Hawaii island in 1946. Okay, while she was looking at the beach, she was receding back. From the distance, the whirlpool and the water was foaming there. Foaming means foam. Then we use the Colgate to clean the tooth. Foam will come in the mouth. Foam. When we use the soap in our body, it makes a foam. Understood or not? Foams. I want to make you understand. So small bubbles with water. Like that made out of the whirlpool in the distance. That already Tilly has seen that in a video where in the classroom. Who showed that? Geography teacher. That video, she has seen that, she has watched that. In the light of that, she understood it's a tsunami. Brilliant girl, no? I feel to give her a kiss. Really, because she saved uncountable students. Just a 5th standard student. Right now? She said, because these many people were there, they don't know anything. They did not understand. They thought they were looking at there and here and enjoying that. If they stayed there for a few minutes, again 5 minutes or 10 minutes, definitely they would have washed out. Okay, see, in tsunami, in 1990, where this happened, the video she has watched now. That, which video she has watched? In 1946, in the Hawaii island, there was a tsunami. That video, who watched? Tilly watched in the class. Who showed that? Geography teacher showed that in the class. He presented it. Okay, see, her geography teacher had shown her class the video and told them that tsunami can be caused by earthquakes, volcanoes, and landslides. That teacher said in the class, the tsunami occurs, the reasons, one is volcanoes, other is earthquake, or because of the landsliding. Landsliding means you just think it's an ocean. Okay, you just imagine that. 1 minute, I'll clean the board and show you. It's an ocean. You just simply think it. It's an ocean, the surface of the ocean. Like our earth only under the sea also, right? Don't think that downside of the under the sea it is concreted or nothing like that. It is not very smooth. Under the sea also, like that the hill will be there, big rock will be there like that. Correct now? Then again big hill will be here like this. Okay, some of the hills will be there coming upside the ocean like that. Can you see? Can you see? When it comes outside, we call it as island. Island. It's like an island. It is like that under the sea. Suppose a landsliding. You just think it. Landsliding. From here, this area, some sliding and fall, and this area came down. Okay. Completely smashed out this hill from here to down like this and started to hold like that. All this water will come out. Understood or not what I am telling? All this mass of water moves out. It is the beach here actually. Here people are playing. Here people are playing. All this water will come out and wash and go in. Who has studied that actually? Tilly was studied that. Okay now? By whom was she studied that? She studied that from her geography teacher. Okay, then the rest of the part we studied yesterday, right? Studied now?
Sir.
Studied now? Rest of the part we studied. You just go through that part 2. Just to read one time, please. I will wait. I will give you 5 minutes. 5 minutes. You just read now. Now only you read. Not loudly. Loudly? Okay, who is ready to read? Please tell me. Hi. Sir, I will read. Like that say. Shall I quit? It's quitting time. Come online everybody. Tell me a bye.